Hello everyone. Uh, in this video, we will again discuss the forms in PHP. Actually, this video is in continuation with the last video. So, coming to our IDE, this is the form. In last video, we made this form and we have seen how we got this data in PHP and how we printed this data on screen. So, this is the view on browser. Now, in this video, we will discuss two things about this form. First is when we submit the data. First, I will reload this form. So when we submit data and when we click on the submit button, you can see data is displayed here. That's okay. But in here, there is no data is not retained. It is cleared when we click on this submit button. So how to retain data in these HTML elements? We'll first discuss this. So coming to our code file, in here we have to, in every field we have to type a value and then start PHP. Take care of this. And if actually we have to copy this very code from here and paste it here, and then echo post fname, that is save the change. So this is the code you have to write. I will copy this code from here and I will paste it in every field, like L name, email, and you can see that we can write this underscore post as well as underscore request. These are two super global variables. We can use any one of them. So as we have written here in this code, we have written here underscore request, but we can replace this. It will not affect the output. So coming to browser and reloading the page, you can see when I submit this data, this will remain here. I don't know why this last name is not here, so let's check. Last name, actually we have to give some space here, that's why. And submit it. You can see the details are also here and they're displayed also here. Now the next thing is about the get and post request. As we have used the method post here, so that's why we have all everywhere we have written this post, 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 and post. So when we submit this data, it will be submitted by using this post request. There are two requests in this form submitting. One is post and another is get. If we use get request here, then we have to first mention the method get here, and then we can use $_ get. Copy this here. So let us save changes and come to browser. First we will fill the form and click the submit. You can see details are here, but nothing is displayed here because in here we have used this post method. Actually the request is get, so that is why it is not displayed here. If we replace them by this get for the first one, first name, then we can see that first name will be displayed. If I submit this data, then first name will return here. So you can see the data here. Now about the get and post request, you can see in the get request the data is shown in this address bar here. You can see the first name, last name, email, and telephone number. Everything is displayed here. But in the post request, you can see if I change it to post, post, if I change it to post, then actually some name here, and saving this data and coming here. You can see data here, but in here is no data because the method here is get, but the actual method is here post. And in this address bar you can see nothing is displayed. So when we use the post method, no data is displayed on the address bar, browser address bar, but when we use a get method, the data is displayed on the address bar. So it is up to us when we want to use get method and when we want to use post method. But usually when we want to maintain privacy or to hide data from the user, we use post method. And when there is no issue of privacy or hiding details of the form, then when we use get method. We can see in this browser in the, if I type HTML form in this Google, then if I hit this button, then you will see it is using get method because there is no requirement of post method here. So it is up to us when we want to use get method and when we want to use post method. This was all about this post and get method, and please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Technophile.